Okay, greet you all. We have come again with another set of questions and answers for June 2022 in Geography Paper 1. So the question here is study the figure 1 for questions 1 to 5. Study figure 1 for questions 1 to 5. All right, question 1. The four-figure grid reference for the shaded portion is the four-figure grid reference for the shaded portion is the answer is A. Number 2. The slopes A, B, C respectively can be described as the slopes A, B, C respectively can be described as the answer is C. Number 3. The direction of the building from the shaded portion is the direction of the building from the shaded portion is the answer is B. Number 4. State the contour state the contour interval VI of the above sketch. State the contour interval VI of the above sketch. The answer is A. Number 5. The settlement form on the map is the settlement form on the map is the answer is A. Question 6. An important an important radio announcement was broadcast from London at 10 a.m. GMT. At what local time is is it received by the captain of a ship anchored at Douala Seaport on longitude 10 degrees east? The answer is A. Number 7. Within November, December and January, the southern hemisphere is exposed to more direct sunlight because within November, December and January, the southern hemisphere is exposed to more direct sunlight because the answer is C. Number 8. Number 8. The earth is divided into 24 times zone. This is to avoid the confusion that would arise if all places use their local mean time. The earth is divided into 24 time zones. This is to avoid the confusion that would arise if all places use their local mean time. The answer is A. Number 9. Study figure 2 for question 9. Study figure 2 for question 9. The the drainage patterns shown by the figures respectively are the drainage patterns shown by the figures respectively are the answer is C. Now question 10. The hydrological cycle at the level of the drainage basin is described as the hydrological cycle at the level of the drainage basin is described as the answer is A. Number 11. The process by which water moves downward and vertically through the soil layer is the process by which water moves downward and vertically through the soil layer is the answer is B. Number 12. Lines which join places with the same amount of rainfall are known as lines which join places with the same amount of rainfall are known as the answer is C. Okay. Study figure 3 for questions 13. For question 13. Okay, question 13. State the type of climate represented by figure 3. State the type of climate represented by figure 13. The answer is D. Number 14. Okay, number 14. Okay. Instructions for question 14 and 15. Read the two statements. Determine if they are true or false. Then select as follows. Question 14. The first statement. Temperatures are generally higher in low latitudes than in higher latitudes. Second statement. The larger the surface area covered by a given amount of insulation, the more concentrated the energy. So, from 14, the answer is B. Then 15, first statement, statement 1. Moving air hits the van, forcing the instrument arrow to point a direction. The second statement, the instrument involved is the wind vane. The answer is A. Number 16. Climate is different from weather in that. Climate is different from weather in that. The answer is B. Question 17. A main cause of land pollution is a main cause of land pollution is the answer is C. Question 18. In a food chain, the dominant members of the trophic level are in a food chain, the dominant members of the trophic level are The answer is B. Number 19. Which of the following combinations gives only the abiotic components of the ecosystem? Which of the following combinations gives only the abiotic components of the ecosystem? The answer is C. 20. Rocks whose form are changed as a result of internal heat and pressure are named rock rocks whose form are changed as a result of internal heat and pressure are named. The answer is A. Yeah, the answer is A. Number 21. The increased world demand for water is caused by. The increased world demand for water is caused by. The answer is D. Number 22. The usefulness of the buttress roots of trees of the tropical rainforest is that. The answer is D. Number 23. Number 23. The correct order of the Earth's structure from the core is. The correct order of the Earth's structure from the core is. The answer is A. Number 24. State the plate. State the plate boundaries at which ocean trenches are formed. State the plate boundaries at which ocean trenches are formed. The answer is C. Question 25. Select from the following combinations the one that gives only processes of chemical weathering. Select from the following combinations the one that gives only the process that gives only processes of chemical weathering. The answer is B. Question 26. Which one of the following may not be an advantage of the informal sector to the economy? Which one of the following may not be an advantage of the informal sector to the economy? The answer is A. Question 27. To manage mineral waste, one should best start by. To manage mineral waste, one should best start by. The answer is B. Question 28. Seeking the sun, the sea and the sand in tourism. This statement describes seeking the sun, the sea and the sand in tourism. This statement describes. The answer is D. Question 29. Okay. Study these statements on denudation. It's from 1 to 5. So the question is select the combination that gives three correct statements. So study these statements on denudation. The first statement is during weathering, rocks are broken down by nature. 2. During erosion, rocks are worn away. 3. Weathering moves material from one place to another. 4. Erosion includes the removal of loose material. So the question now is select the combination that gives three correct statements. The answer is B, which is 1, 2, and 4. Number 30. Oh, number 30. Select the combination that gives an energy resource with the corresponding category. Select the combination that gives an energy resource with the corresponding category. Okay. The answer is A. Number 31. Give the combination that has only extensive farming type. Give the combination that has only extensive farming type. The answer is D. Question 32. One natural condition that favors the exploitation of coniferous forest is that one natural condition that favors the exploitation of coniferous forest is that the answer is C. Question question 33. Identify the statement about von Thornton's model of rural land use that is correct. Identify the statement about von Thornton's model of rural land use that is correct. The answer is D. Question 34. Computers, lasers, precision, machines, space, crafts, telecom, equipment are all products of. The answer is B. Question 35. Which of the following is a priority factor affecting the location of a car assembly plant? The answer is C. 37. 36. One major problem faced by tourists. One major problem faced by tourist activities in LICs is the limited. The answer is A. 37. The internet may not be profitable to the society in that the internet may not be profitable to the society in that the answer is D. Number 38. The low income countries make less money from trade than advanced income countries because the low income countries make less money from trade than advanced income countries because the answer is B. Question 39. One reason why railways were constructed in LEDCs was mainly to one reason why railways were constructed in LEDCs was mainly to the answer is D. D. That is provide a link between the colonies and industrial countries. Question 4 Question 40. When a country's population pyramid shows a broad base, it means that it has the answer is A. Question 41. Which one of the following is not considered which one of the following is not considered a main service provided by urban settlement? The answer is B. Question 42. The term central business district is there. The term central business district is there. The answer is A. 43. A function not offered by a rural settlement is a function not offered by a rural settlement is the answer is D. D. Manufacturing. Question 44. When two towns grow and eventually merge with no clear boundaries between them, they form when two towns grow and eventually merge with no clear boundaries between them, they form the answer is B. Question 45. Look at the figure 4 for question 45. Then the vegetation zone shared 2 on the map of Cameroon below is good for lumbering because of the answer is A, which is abundant tree species. Question 46. The dominant raw material for the development of the aluminium industry in the coastal industrial region of Cameroon is the dominant raw material for the development of the aluminium industry in the coastal industrial region of Cameroon is question 47. Question 47. There is a mix up. Alright, 47. The dominant wind blow over Cameroon in December is the dominant wind blowing over Cameroon is in December is C. Monsoon. 48. Select the main human problem of agriculture in Cameroon. Select the main human problem of agriculture in Cameroon. The answer is C, which is poor transport network. 49. Paul, who lives in Buea, intends to travel to London. State the transport mode he will use to arrive his destination. The answer the answer is C. Put an A. Question 50. The drainage basin in the drainage basin into which river Mongo flows the drainage basin into which river Mongo flows is the Atlantic. Alright, thank you so much. So I wish you the best success. You see you next time with the questions of 2021.